Hello there. Are you ready to do some math practice? Remember I told you we were going to start doing fluency flashcards? So what we're going to do is I'm going to hold up my cards and I want you to say what number it is. Some of my cards look like dot cubes. Some of my cards are just numbers, and then the other ones are a hand. So we have to count the hands. So we'll see what you can do. Ready? How many dots on my cube? 5. How many fingers are up? 5. What's my number? 4. How many dots do I have? 4. How many fingers are up? 2. What's my number? 2. How many dots do I have? 3. How many fingers do I have up? 4. What's my number? 1. How many dots do I have? 2. How many fingers are up? 1. What's the number? 0. How many dots? 1. What's the number? 5. How many fingers? 3. What's my number? 3. How many dots? 6. That was a big one. Good job. I hope you got it just right. Today we're going to work with our dot cubes again. The dice, remember, we're going to call them dot cubes. So we practiced today rolling it a little bit in our hand and just dropping it. Let me move my screen down so you can see my top. All right, so we just roll it in our hand a little bit and then drop it. And then I got a 5 that time. Oh, I got a 3 that time. I got a 4. Got a 1. Uh-oh, pulled right off my tabletop. I got another one. If I roll a 6, I'm just going to do a roll again because I don't have 6 spots on my, remember what this is called? My 5 frame, remember, because there's 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes, my 5 frame. So I'm going to leave my 5 frame down. So practice rolling a few times, and then hopefully you can have a 5 frame at home. We'll lay that down. Today, instead of using bears, I have connecting cubes. You know what I thought about over the weekend? You could use Legos. We have so many Legos at our house. Do you have a lot of Legos at your house? Or if you have little Polly Pockets. My girls have little Polly Pockets, my daughters. So we could use little Polly Pocket dolls. Or you could little erasers or whatever you have. But remember, Mrs. Tuck, you just took an index card. You could use a piece of paper and just draw the 5 frame on there. Or have mom and dad do that. All right. So I'm going to roll my dice. Be real careful. Look, I got a 4. So now I need to match. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to use my pointer to make sure I have 4 dots on my dice. See my 4 dots? Then I'm going to check. I'm going to check to make sure I got the right number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 cubes, 4 dots. They're the same. I match. All right, let's do it again. Roll, 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 roll. Oh, but it's landing on the side. I got a 1. So I've got 1 dot, 1 cube. So I'm going to count to check. You always have to check because you don't want to get it wrong. So I'm going to check. I have 1 dot, 1 cube. They're the same. I match. Ready? And start again. Oh, I got 5 dots. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. They're the same. I match. Yay. Let's do one more. I got a 5 again. So I got 5. So I'm going to put 5 on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got to count them. Use my pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes, 5 dots. They match. So I've got the same amount. Yay! You can do it as many times as you want. We just want to practice with the rolling and the counting and making sure you get the same number of items that you have of dots on the dot cube. I hope you did a great job. I will talk to you later.